Today is the 6th of August and you're watching Rock the Block Daily with me, Eugene Tay. This episode was brought to you by the world's first cross-blockchain solution, our partner OneChain. Well, today's news is not going to be very positive on the overall sentiment in the crypto scene. First up on the news, you have heard of tokenization? Have you heard of de-tokenization? DigiPulse, a crypto inheritance platform which ICO'd in October last year, 2017, according to a blog post by Norman Cavillis, which is the CEO of DigiPulse. DigiPulse have originally minted 20 million DGPT tokens and sold them off for 3,500 Ethereum. Has now claimed that he is tired of the speculative nature of the crypto market and have chosen to de-tokenize his entire business model. If you are holding on to 10,000 DGBT token or more, you have a chance to earn a direct stake in the company's equity. But if you have less than that, sucks to be you. According to his post, there are other things that you can do, but if you take a look at it, nothing too interesting. It's really about having a membership into his services and you can use your coins to pay for stuff. Effectively bringing the value of the token down to, I guess, shit. Well, that is the nature of speculative value of the token, isn't it? It launched at $1.20 USD when October last year, gone to a height of 12 USD, and now it's trading on 20 cents or less. On some decentralized exchanges, there's still some value to it, but if you really take a look at that, there is no volume, there's no buy demand for that. So you're holding on to worthless coins. Good job, DigiPulse, de-tokenization, brilliant. I hope that isn't the kind of trend that we are seeing now with all the coins out there who can't seem to make it on the exchange, and instead of trying hard to bring value to their investors, is now taking the chicken shit way out and de-tokenizing their business model. Well, why are we even in cryptocurrency if tokenization and de-tokenization of the project is based on the fancy of just one man? Again, this is very much a centralized control of projects and nothing decentralized at all. Not surprising, isn't it? Which brings me to my next point on the price of BTC today. Last week it's gone up to the high of 8,000 plus. Right today is just $7,000. Why? Is it because of the Winklevoss twins failed ETF bid? Or are people just anxious about the CBOE Van Eck EFTA application? Or pretty much just the sudden realization that the entire cryptocurrency market is very centralized? Well, Bitpico, a controversial and anonymous individual or group within the world of Bitcoins, has recently rage quit the cryptocurrency scene. In their latest tweet, Bitcoin said this, and I quote, "We are no longer bullish on Bitcoin and dumped all our coins at 8,300 USD. We have even put our farm up for sale. Why? We no longer want to participate in the world's most manipulated commodity. Bitcoin is now just for a shit show. Good luck." Do you agree with them? Bitpico is known for shilling Bitcoin cash, so this could be their temper tantrum and just throwing their lot in, hoping to crash the prices of Bitcoin and raising the prices of Bitcoin cash. Of course, internet observers will keep quick to defend Bitcoin, and here comes the whole Bitcoin cash drama all over again. Regulations, ooh. But regulations for a good news this time, because we are looking at real use case of the blockchain. Agricultural Bank of China has issued loans worth 2 million Chinese yuan using the blockchain system backed by, collateralized by farmland. And all the nodes in the ecosystem, these are basically the various partners in the blockchain like the Land Bureau and the other intermediaries, are kept updated using the decentralized distributed ledger technology. And this is happening right now in Guangzhou. So we are seeing governments coming in really using blockchain for what it's meant to be. And this is a welcoming news away from the whole speculative nature of cryptocurrency. Again, this is what is driving the cryptocurrency or the blockchain scene into two camps: the crypto scene and the blockchain scene, which makes it really confusing and sometimes hard for us to put ourselves in a situation, because I run two various outfits. One is called Crypto Central, which just talks about the speculative nature of crypto, the signals, when to go in, anything to do with coins and market value. That's one company. And then we have this Rock the Block, which really talks about the technology, the industry as a whole, because my belief is that you can't talk about blockchain without dipping your finger into cryptocurrency. Blockchain is a technology, sure, of course, but what drives the adoption, what drives the mass market to really use this technology is the fact that they can make money of it, because greed drives this whole ecosystem, right? And we have seen that happening over and over and over again. People either get burnt or they make money, but the point remains, you can't really tear these two apart and try to keep blockchain as kosher as you would like to, unless you want to alienate the rest of everybody else. In some slightly happy news, High Times, a cannabis brand since 1974, is going to be the very first stock offering accepting Bitcoins and Ethereum. In the current crowdfunding process under Regulation A+, according to CEO Adam Levine, I know what you're thinking. No, it's not that Maroon 5 dude. It's another guy called Adam Levine. High Times has been at the forefront of popular culture for more than 4 decades. No shit, we're talking about cannabis here. Now they're taking another step into the future, and not only as one of the first cannabis-related brands to go public on the NASDAQ, but also as the first to allow Bitcoin and Ethereum as part of our public capital raise. Well, trust these guys who thumb their nose in the face of regulations and law to be the first one to spearhead something as cool as this. So if you're in the US of A and you are a pot smoker and you want to support this initiative, well, there we go. High Times is raising capital for their stock exchange, and you might want to get into it. That's all the news we have for you today. Let me know in the comment below, what do you think about the news we have today? Do you agree on one point that blockchain and crypto should be one and the same? Do you even agree with Bitpico that Bitcoin is a shit show? Does this affect your confidence in coming to cryptocurrency? Or if you're already in cryptocurrency, what's your take on the future? Is Bitcoin going to die? Well, my name is Eugene Tay. You're watching me on Rock the Block Daily. This episode was brought to you by our partners, OneChain. I'll see you guys again tomorrow.